여기 오랜 세월 끝에 잠에서 깨어나는 해저 단층이 있습니다. 빅터4의 브라보호는 스코틀랜드 인근 해역에서 원유 시추 작업을 하고 있습니다.
New transfer, Rhoda. Read it.
로즈는 브라보호의 연구원입니다. 그녀는 시추 작업 동 안전을 위해 집안 상태를 관찰하고 책임자인 매그너스를 도와 여러 가지 업무를 하고 있습니다.
Say again. I can't. Hello? Hello? Damn.
At the beach, they ask about the new field analysis?
갑자기 전화가 끊기는 브라보호. 요즘 이런 일이 자주 발생하고 있습니다.
I've just posted the Rhoda.
That's unfortunate, because that was the heliport about a divert.
Great. That'll make them happy.
이때 작업자인 바즈는 휴가를 갈 예정인 자신이 헬기 수송 명단에서 빠진 걸 발견합니다.
But who's got his space?
It looks like Fulma. Please to check these things, Buzz.
This is bullshit. I'm meant to be staying in Prague on Friday with my cousin. Why is it always me?
It's not our fault. Some things, you gotta ask the man upstairs.
하지만 근처에 있는 시추시설이 갑자기 정전이 되었고 근로자들을 대피시키기 위해 모든 헬기가 동원된 상태라 본사는 작업자들을 육지로 보낼 여력이 없었습니다. 그래서 이 사실을 알리기 위해 회의를 소집하는 매그너스.
Hey, Cat, briefing starting.
Coming, mate. Okay. If I get time with him, I will tell him.
You promise? I'll hold you to it.
I promise.
Oh, you're in my seat.
I'll leave it out. It's just been bumped.
Bumped for who?
Have a guess.
Favors for the favoring, yeah?
바지는 자신의 이름이 빠지고 그 자리에 통신 담당인 풀머가 들어갔다고 생각합니다. 그리고 풀머는 근무표를 짜고 있는 로즈와 연인 사이죠.
Right. I know this.
Before we get to today's work plan, I know some of you have been waiting for your ride home, but you're gonna have to wait a while longer.
매그너스는 상황을 말해주며 지원 나간 헬기가 임무를 마치면 알려주겠다고 말합니다. 문제는 휴가만 손꼽아 기다리던 인원들이 다시 작업을 시작해야 한다는 겁니다.
I said how long?
You'll be updated over the tannoy about any changes.
Yeah, but I said how fucking long?
버터는 바지를 대신해 까칠하게 말꼬리를 잡습니다.
I get that you all went out here. So do I. But this is the job. It's what we do.
Well, you know the phones are out again. Can't even call home to tell them we're not coming.
Fulmer's getting on the phones. Once they're back, you'll get time to call.
Is that why he's getting off here early?
What?
I've been bumped for former.
로즈는 본사의 요청으로 풀머를 먼저 보낼 수밖에 없었다고 말하지만 작업자들의 불신은 사라지지 않습니다.
So, Rose, are you going to this liaison meeting yourself by any chance?
No one is going anywhere until the Kilscour crew are safe, so that's a bump for everyone. Dunlin will review the list. Moving on.
The tail's wagging the dog here, Magnus.
Enough farting. You've said your piece. Now suck it up. Shut it up and bank the overtime.
That's not fair. In case you forgot, some of us have families waiting on us.
가족 이야기의 분위기가 조용해집니다. 무슨 일이 있었던 걸까요?
You want to talk about what's fair? You come and see me later.
버터는 매그너스와 일한 지 10년이 넘었습니다. 그 세월만큼 실력 있는 베테랑 작업자지만 한 번도 매그너스의 말에 토를 달지 않은 적이 없죠.
Okay. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. Blackout recovery procedures are in effect.
시추 장비는 지층의 압력을 제어하며 작업을 합니다.
Pressure?
Holding steady at 4,000 psi. No.
Owen's on his way.
If it spikes,
I know what happens if it spikes.
만약 정전으로 압력 제어 장비가 오랜 시간 멈추게 되면 지층에 갇힌 압력이 폭발하며 큰 사고로 이어질 수도 있습니다.
Darrow!
Yeah.
Hatton! Wilson?
작업자들은 혹시 모를 사태에 대비하여 대피를 준비합니다.
Radio.
일단 비상 전력으로 압력 제어 장치를 가동시키고 우리의 상황을 본부에 알리려 하는데 부조는 먹통이고 전화도 되지 않았죠.
Is there a way to signal them without the radio?
Well, I've got some flags somewhere if you want to go wave at them. Oh, there's this. Best signals on the heli deck.
위성 통신 장비를 들고 밖으로 나가는 매그너스. 그때
What you mean?
You seen something like that before?
No. That's new.
Pretty thick then.
Spooky. So lucky I've got all these rough, tough men to protect me, eh? Ooh.
Ah, come on.
짙은 안개로 인해 실내로 이동하란 명령을 받습니다.
Nobody's going to be flying a chopper in that.
No, they are not.
That should brighten the mood.
Can't get anything on that.
위성 통신도 듣질 않습니다. 마치 지금 주변에 있는 안개처럼 눈과 귀가 모두 막힌 상태죠.
Main power and controls are back.
Comms? Phones too.
Internal are working. External are still out.
So we're stuck talking to ourselves. What about that shake? Was that a kick?
Well, not from the plant. We were already shut down.
Could it have been seismic?
Well, we keep punching holes in the earth. Eventually, it's going to punch back.
Doesn't work that way. We're not on a fault line here.
Well, what about Iceland?
Iceland's 1,000 kilometers away. It had to have been residual pressure from the shutdown. Seismic event can't happen here.
You want me to check the tower?
No, Magnus, in these conditions.
These are the conditions we've got. If it's going to get any worse, I want to know about it.
Lucky me.
He shouldn't go up alone.
He's not.
안테나에 이상은 없는지 통신탑에 오르려는 매그너스. 이 안개를 뚫고 최상단에 올라야 합니다.
Oh, this ain't safe, Magnus, and you know it.
Nothing's safe here.
How the hell are they gonna see what they're doing up there?
It's just fog.
Is it?
You're right. It's a risk. But no contact with the beach, no contact with the standby, power cuts, emergency shutdown. Those are bigger risks. And that's on me. I need to know what we're dealing with.
Baz, you don't have to go up there.
I'll go up, I'll get my chopper seat back, right?
You fix it, you can have mine.
Mum always said I should have joined the circus.
Be careful.
Harry tells us.
바즈와 풀모가 사다리에 오릅니다.
Paul? Paul, was that you? Bulma! Did you hear that? Come on, Baz. Spare up the Dan. You shitting shits! Did you see that, fool? Did you see that?
You taking a break? On the quicker we're up, the quicker we're down.
Don't.
통신탑에 올라갑니다. 그런데 자리를 뺏긴 것 때문에 불만이 가득했던 바지는
Get on good, right? Because why else would she bump me for you?
Because the company told her to. Can we do this later?
쉬지 않고 불만을 토해냅니다.
You can sleep on company sheets. I ain't saying you can't. But it shouldn't cost me my ride home. Getting off shit as it is.
If you're tired of getting shit, maybe you should stop talking it. There was a meeting. That's it.
점검을 마치고 바지의 시비가 듣기 싫은 풀모는 먼저 사다리를 내려갑니다.
Shit.
You break it, you bought it. I'm going down.
This is who I am.
Medical assistance required at the communication tower.
Hey! You got put on your kit!
Medical assistance required at the communication tower.
바지가 통신탑에서 떨어졌습니다.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Baz!
He was coming down after me.
Baz!
Move! Move! Don't crowd! Okay, Buzz, mate. It's Cat. Can you hear me, mate?
Should have waited.
Damn right you should have. Experienced man always comes down last.
Okay, we're going to turn him round, yeah? You ready? He
was right there.
On my
And his
count.
harness
One,
is unclipped.
two,
What the hell were you doing up there?
Joe!
Enough! You're not helping, Hunt. We'll deal with this later. For now, just back off.
Magnus! Magnus! He's still alive!
간신히 생명줄이 붙어 있어 서둘러 안쪽으로 옮깁니다. 그리고 로즈는 놀라운 보고를 하는데
Look, pipelines have no pressure. It doesn't make any sense. I mean, we shut down our well, but the line back to shore should still be pumping from the other rigs in our sector.
And it's not.
None of them are.
우리처럼 작업이 멈춘 시설이 한두 군데가 아니었습니다.
What does that mean?
Means whatever cut off communication, whatever is causing all this, it's not just happening here. It's the whole field.
그리고 바지의 상태는 한시라도 빨리 병원으로 옮겨 수술을 하지 않으면 목숨이 위험할 정도로 위급한 상태였습니다.
Kenlock Bravo to Coast Guard. Medical evac required.
풀모는 죄책감의 무전기를 손에서 놓지 않습니다.
Repeat, emergency medical evacuation required from Kenlock Bravo. Does anyone copy?
It's okay.
He already slipped going up. In those conditions, I should have seen it coming. Pissed me off, so I left.
You can't predict everything.
I shouldn't have left it like that.
Like what?
He was mouthing off about you.
바지의 말에 화가 나 자신이 먼저 내려왔는데 상급자인 자신이 뒤에서 챙겼으면 이런 일은 없었을 거라며 자신을 자책합니다.
It's not your fault. Leave the guilt to the guilty.
Where's the chopper?
We're trying.
바즈와 친하게 지내던 허터는 손 놓고 있는 매거너스에게 화를 냅니다.
He went up there for us. He went up there for you, Magnus. Oh, Christ. The only other person you sent up there with him was Fulmer. It's not like the two of them get on, is it?
Come on, don't start. We don't have time for witch hunts. We're one crew.
It was your call. You're responsible.
I'm responsible for everyone. But you always think you could do better, right? Well, what's your great idea? Come on. You know best. You tell me, eh? Eh? No. No, I thought no. This bark and no bite is getting real old, Hutton. Real old.
You should never have gone up there!
잠시 뒤 허터는 사람들을 불러 모읍니다.
Most of us were supposed to be leaving today, right? Should have been on that chopper, on our way home to our families. But we're not.
허터는 매거넌스가 직원들을 도구처럼 사용하고 바지의 목숨을 방치한다고 말합니다.
Said they'd be keeping us safe. But they're just letting Baz die.
Hutton, you're way over the line.
이때 기밀 서류를 보여주는 허턴.
Might be a good idea to start with this. Or I can read it. Up to you. Have it your own way. Kinloch Field decommissioning phase. Full decommissioning of all Pictor assets.
All right.
본사는 이미 오래전 브라보의 작업을 중단하기로 결정한 상태였습니다.
All the rigs, all your jobs. And they didn't want me to tell you because you'd start quitting before they're ready to start decommissioning. So if we're lucky and all this passes, that's what you're going back to. And I can't change it. Believe me, I've tried. But right now, my job is to get you all home. And that is what I'm gonna do.
알 수 없는 무언가가 하늘에서 내립니다.
Snow?
No. No, it's ash. Baz, you okay?
It's too late. It's already started.
Cat.
Baz, you all right, mate? Gently. Okay, steady.
We've got you.
Okay, you're all right, mate. You're all right. You're here now with us, okay? Okay. Help him downstairs. Steady.
Baz, it's Rose. Can you hear me?
바지는 의무실에서 정신을 차립니다.
Don't remember. There is this voice in my head.
I'm just gonna take your bloods, mate, okay?
하지만 불안감이 매우 심각한 바지.
I looked out, I see. And the fog. There was something out there. And then I heard this noise. And it's in my head, this noise. And it keeps telling me to...
Let go, Baz! Hey, Baz, let go! It's okay. Baz, all right. It's okay.
Let go. Baz?
Oh, you're not listening! There's something out there. It's coming. Come on.
What is? What's out there? What's coming?
Wave is coming.
잠시 뒤 진영재를 놓아주고 바즈가 잠들자 캣은 혹시 바즈가 거대한 쓰나미를 보고 놀라 발을 헛디딘 건 아닐까 걱정합니다.
Our max wave height is above anything ever recorded in this sector.
로즈는 아무리 거대한 파도가 들이닥쳐도 우린 살 수 있다며 안심시킵니다. 하지만 캣에겐 더 놀라운 사실이 있었습니다. 바로 자신은 치료를 전혀 하지 않았는데 부러진 뼈가 붓고 상처가 아물었다는 거죠.
It didn't do anything. Those injuries, Rose. It ain't right.
Bodies are remarkable things.
로즈는 기적은 언제나 쉬지 않고 일어나고 있다며 캣의 걱정을 덮어줍니다.
Keep an eye on him. Let me know if his condition changes.
Okay.
던리는 직원들을 대표해 어떻게 회사가 사람들을 자르려는 걸 숨길 수가 있는지 항의합니다.
I only just found out myself. I would have told the crew when the time was right.
던린도 매그너스를 따라 오래 근무했지만 그는 냉정한 매그너스와 다르게 작업자들에게 정감 있는 모습을 자주 보였고 심지어 그렇게 말을 안 듣는 허턴조차 던린의 말엔 잘 따르는 편입니다.
Where do you think it's coming from? Icelandic volcano again?
Rose said it couldn't be. Too far.
주변에 안개가 짙게 깔려있고 하늘에서는 화산재로 보이는 것이 내립니다. 심지어 통신은 전혀 되질 않으니 우리가 지옥에 있는 건 아닌지 혹시 바깥 세상은 멸망한 게 아닌지 이상한 생각만 하고 있습니다.
What's it about?
A collective failure of imagination.
Sounds familiar.
Much? Much? Boss,
You looking for a snack?
I'm good. Are you getting anything on this?
Nothing but static.
매그너스는 이 상태가 오랫동안 지속될 수 있으니 대비를 하려고 합니다.
What was our last supply boat?
Last week. Next one's due in 3 days. You want to bet if it's still coming?
Not right now.
조리병으로 파병까지 다녀왔던 머치는 단번에 매그너스의 의도를 알아챕니다.
You want me to start cutting back now?
I do. But starting tomorrow, leave tonight as planned. People have enough on their plates.
Aye, for now.
아리는 식당에서 모여 선원들과 얘기를 합니다.
Are they talking upstairs about Baz? What he said about a wave coming?
Rose says it's not possible. Says there hasn't been a tsunami in the North Sea in all of history.
Well, there's never been a wave like that in written history. Rose is right about that, but before that there was. The Storegga Slide.
아리는 8,000년 전 200km에 달하는 노르웨이 대륙봉이 해저 산사태로 무너지며 엄청난 높이의 쓰나미가 발생한 걸 말합니다.
They rush through the water at 100 miles an hour, dragging chunks of seabed bigger than a tanker with them. Totally unstoppable until it hit land and wiped out everything in its way.
That day to walk down the beach then.
하지만 이런 고대 쓰나미의 기록은 성경을 비롯해 여러 곳에 기록되어 있죠.
The fountains of the great deep burst apart, and the floodgates of heaven broke open. Genesis.
Nearly every major religion on the planet has its own great flood myth. It's no coincidence these things happen.
바즈가 정신을 차립니다. 그런데 이상한 장면들이 머릿속에 떠오릅니다. 갑자기 이빨이 빠질 것처럼 아파옵니다. 매그너스는 바지가 사라진 소식을 듣습니다. 그리고 CCTV로 살펴보지만
The canteen?
No, I already checked.
Must be still in the module.
그의 모습은 어디에도 보이지 않았죠.
You know where this stuff's coming from, yeah?
Still the sky, as far as I know.
Yeah, I got that bit.
I'm working on it.
Yeah, but you've not been standing in it. Weird shit.
아리는 이렇게 몇 시간 만에 멀쩡해진 바지가 놀랍지만 그의 정신은 너무나 불안한 상태였습니다.
My head's just full of noise. Thoughts aren't there. Trying to show me something.
자꾸 허상과 이상한 목소리가 들린다는 바지.
When this clears and we get back, they'll know how to help you.
It's not gonna clear, Alwyn. This ain't normal. Nothing about it is. And we all know it, but we don't want to see it. Well, I see it now.
미래가 보인다는 뜻일까요? 가야 할 곳이 있다며 길을 나섭니다.
Baz, what is it? What is there danger coming?
렉은 외부에서 오랜 작업 후 돌아와 재를 털어내고 샤워를 합니다. 그런데 거짓말처럼 문신이 지워지고 피부가 벗겨집니다. 그리고 내부에서 극심한 고통이 느껴지는 렉. 잠시 뒤 헤더가 이상한 소리를 듣고 문을 열어보는데
You okay? Really hope you're shaving your legs.
Bunk deck. This is Control. What's your emergency?
It's Lek. I was in his room, and I think he's dead.
What are you hiding?
Anesthesia now.
Heather found him like this.
Aye.
Not something she'll forget anytime soon.
What could make his tattoos run like that? Could it be chemicals?
It's me, but you'd make a fortune with it in teenage regret.
Found these in Baz's cabin.
바지의 임플란트를 보여줍니다. 문신과 임플란트. 마치 인위적인 것들을 몸에서 거부하는 것처럼 보여집니다.
The inorganic material in their bodies is being rejected.
It's like an immune response.
An extreme one.
And Lek was hardly the picture of health. His body might not have been able to take it.
Could the ash have triggered it?
렉은 재가 떨어지는 밖에서 장시간 있었습니다.
Darling, Make sure we don't have anyone else outside.
하지만 이때 아린과 풀먼은 밖에서 바지를 잡고 있습니다.
Bastard!
Should have worn your gloves.
Thank you, Alwyn.
그때 버터는 조종실이 비어있는 틈을 타 문을 잠그고
Aye, aye. Someone's playing your song.
That's an SOS. It'll burn the boat in. What the fuck? Just locked. The ash has stopped.
That's one less thing to worry about.
광구와 광구 사이에는 비상사태를 대비하여 예비 선박이 대기하고 있습니다. 버터는 이 배에 구조 신호를 보내 배를 타고 육지로 가려는 거죠.
If the Ash was responsible for that, we gotta find the trigger, or this could get out of control.
More than it already has.
I'm trying! Someone's jammed it! Let go your side!
Who's out there?
It's Boomer.
The fuck is going on? Who locked us out?
But it was Hutton who jammed it. He was coming up to control.
I should have put you in the straits. Look, you won't be happy till you've got us all. Oh, fuck off. I'm the only one trying to get us out of here.
Get off.
Give me the fucking key.
The key.
That boat is the only way out of here, and we should be on it already. You're done, Hutton. NRB. Finished. You said yourself, even if we get out of here, the company gonna cut us loose, so what are we hanging around for?
This is not the way.
You never fucking learn. You never fucking think.
물론 매그너스도 이 방법을 생각 못한 건 아닙니다. 하지만 안개가 짙어 선박이 접근하다 사고가 날 가능성이 크고 무엇보다 모든 직원을 태울 만큼 선박이 크지 않습니다.
Alwyn, is he still up in Obs?
Shit. He's still outside.
This is OIM to all crew.
Anyone outside, return to the module immediately. Repeat, return to the module.
Us? So you?
Repeat, return to the module. OIM out.
바지를 발견하고 아래로 내려가는 아류인. 만약 선박이 접근하면 그 파도에 휩쓸려 큰 사고가 날지도 모릅니다.
Can't see him. It's fucking fog. Wait. There.
That's down at the spider deck.
The SBB doesn't change course if you take him by the wash. I'm going after him.
If he ends up in the water without a survival suit on, he won't last 3 minutes.
Baz, you there? Come on, man, you don't want to be out here! Baz. It's Alwyn.
바지는 계속 이상한 소리를 합니다.
I need to see it. See what? What is that? You know, don't you? It's life. From the water. That's how it starts. Come on! A ship's coming in. We can't stay down here. I can't go back. Look, if something saved you from that fall, it didn't do it so you could die here instead. You're coming with me!
바지는 자신을 데려가려는 아린의 손길을 거부하고 목을 조릅니다. 그리고 무섭게 달려오는 선박.
What's happening? They're still coming and they haven't slowed down. Is it going to pass? It's going to be close.
This is OIM. All crew, brace for collision.
Repeat, brace for collision.
Get back!
Buzz! Buzz! Okay, Buzz. Stay there. I can help.
We just got dumped by a standby vessel.
We're stuck here.
Are you all right? Are you all right? I'm fine. Give me a hand. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, Owen. Come on, Owen.
It was Baz. I saw it.
캣이 도착합니다. 그리고 아륜의 상태를 살피는데 이상합니다.
Has he been in the water?
They were fighting and he just put his hand on Owen's chest and it just went down.
Why? What is it? He drowned.
그때 로즈는 샘플로 가져온 재로 여러 가지 실험을 합니다. 물의 반응을 보이자 자신의 손가락에 상처를 내고 피를 떨어뜨려 봅니다.
Two in one night. Fuck it. You never should have been down there.
I'm sorry. What about the SPV?
They're abandoning us. Going to the Charlie.
I need to show you something.
로즈는 하늘에서 떨어진 재가 사람의 피에 반응하는 걸 보여줍니다.
These are living organisms. The ash is just the carrier, as Kat said.
So it's a parasite.
Something like that. I mean, from what I can tell from these samples, the ash is partly made up of its spores. They attach themselves to organic substances, then repair damage and drive out any impurities.
Like Baz's fillings. Why?
Well, most likely because they want a healthy host. If it isn't healthy, they get rejected. Magnus, if this is a parasite, we need to move fast and contain it. Its driving impulse is to spread. There's only one thing on here that can spread through.
Yeah, us. I get it. How long would it take to infect someone?
It would vary depending on the level of exposure. Touching the ash wouldn't be enough, but if you were exposed for a long time, breathing it in, if you had a cut or an injury, those are the people we need to watch.
로즈는 바지의 혈액 샘플로 감염 여부를 판단할 방법을 생각해냅니다.
We take a sample of blood from everyone, mix a small amount with the one we have from Bass, and if we see a reaction, then we know that that person can't have previously been infected.
매그너스는 이것이 전염될 가능성이 있으니 감염자를 찾도록 지시하지만
If we find more cases, it'll split the crew.
They're already split.
바즈가 나타나 로즈의 연구 노트를 보게 되고
Pass?
바즈는 자신의 상황을 정확하게 알게 되죠.
What did you do to Alwyn?
Didn't mean to. But the light. Life makes it stronger. That's why it needs us.
Do you mean us?
이젠 그것에게 완전히 사로잡힌 것으로 보이는 바즈. 그때
Rose, it's okay, I'm here. Just stay back.
The sample. Bass, we need your blood to find out what's wrong with you.
하지만 바즈는 혈액 샘플을 들고 도망갑니다. 머치는 동료들의 시체를 냉동실에 보관합니다. 그런데 음식과 시체를 함께 두는 것에 불평하는 소리가 나오죠.
When I was on the sub, we had a guy in the freezer for 2 months. I had to shift him every time somebody wanted the ice cream.
그때 안개가 걷히기 시작합니다.
This means we're safe, right? We can go on. No, I wouldn't count on it.
Oh, God.
No.
Could that be why the SPV went to them?
Could be. Guess he never made it either.
찰리오는 브라보보다 사정이 안 좋은 것 같습니다.
Never thought that after all this would be the lucky ones.
We have to go and get them. There could be survivors.
Get them? How?
The lifeboats.
구명보트는 항해를 하는 것이 아니라 구조될 때까지 바다에 가만히 떠있는 용도로 만들어진 보트입니다.
Which is a big if. Still wouldn't have enough fuel for the round trip. Most likely end up floating to Norway.
We've got to try.
That amount of smoke, I doubt there's anyone left to save.
안개가 걷히자 매그너스는 바즈를 잡기 위해 수색을 시작합니다.
Control, we're starting our search.
Got you. Stay in your groups. I'd rather this was done right than fast.
Easy for him to say.
그리고 로즈는 화산재를 계속 연구해보지만
You found anything?
Nothing that makes any sense. Whatever we're dealing with has to be something new.
이것은 어디에도 기록되지 않은 처음 보는 것입니다. 그러던 중 이곳에 시추 시설을 세우기 전 채취한 샘플에서 놀라운 걸 발견합니다.
Yeah, they look like the spores from the ash.
그리고 이 샘플이 생성된 시대는 무려 페릉기 말로 추정됩니다.
It's 300 million years ago. 95% of all life disappears. It's the closest the planet's ever come to a total wipeout.
Ouch. What caused it?
It's the greatest murder mystery of all time. Scientists refer to it as the Great Dying. The oil that we have been pumping this whole time, that this whole field is sitting on, is Permian.
한편 바주는 시추액 보관실에 숨어 있습니다.
Baz! Baz, I just want to help you, mate.
잠시 뒤 던니는 보관실에 쓰러져 있는 게로를 발견합니다.
Get me all right. Fuck. What happened?
He was hiding in the back. He rushed me.
Which way did he go?
Towards the mud pit, Mum. Can still catch him if you go now.
We should call it in.
Fuck that, we've got him. Let's go.
시추에게서 자라고 있는 식물. 불가능합니다.
What is it? What sort of plant grows on oil?
Garrow! Open your hand!
네, 게로는 감염자입니다.
We're losing power everywhere. I'm blind.
매그너스는 풀머에게 전력을 손보게 하고 수색을 돕기 위해 현장으로 나갑니다. 그리고 진동을 멈추는 브라보호.
Lord, watch over me and protect me. Baz,
Getting stronger. The visions. I can see better here. I can feel them. This is where I need to be.
바지는 그들의 목소리에 이끌려 완전히 변해버렸습니다.
It's like a memory millions of years long. Scars on top of scars. All the way back to the very beginning.
Baz, whatever you're hearing or seeing, trust me, I believe you. Whatever is out here is real. And we can help you. But you've got to stop hurting people.
Didn't mean to. Didn't.
그들을 위해
I'll have to defend it.
Defend from what?
인간이란 위협으로부터 지켜야 한다는 바즈.
It's all dying. When it goes, it all goes. It was the beginning, and it will be the end.
게로가 나타납니다.
He can't leave. We have to stop. 그때 매그너스가 보관실에 도착합니다.
Where's Hutton? Was this him? Did he cause the tremor? What about the others? Garrow and Heather?
Baz, Dr. Garrow. Oh, he was already infected.
버턴과 헤더가 나옵니다. 일단 사무실로 돌아가는 매그너스.
Rose?
Power's being restored, main systems are coming back online. Where's Baz?
Baz and Garrow were together.
In the mud pit room, I saw them.
Did you touch them?
No. Hatton came and scared them off. They disappeared again.
Rose?
Are you hearing that? Baz got to Garrow.
이때 이스터는 장비에 불꽃이 꺼진 걸 발견합니다. 레거너스는 점화 장치가 목통인 걸 확인하고 수동으로 불을 붙이기 위해 풀머를 크레인으로 보냅니다. 멀리서 조명탄을 쏴 불을 붙이려고 하는데 너무 가까이 갔다간 폭발에 휩싸일 수 있고 너무 멀면 기회를 놓칠 수도 있습니다.
Time to shine.
폭발에 휘말려 정신을 잃은 풀머. 서둘러 안쪽으로 옮깁니다.
Okay, wait for my instruction as you're lowering him onto the tank. 1, 2, 3, lower. That's it. Right, we're going to do straps. And ostriches. Someone close that door, please. Thank you.
How was he?
Still unconscious. Stable. Cat's working on the burns. Bass is still over there. Garrow, too. Heather said he tried to speak to her. Said the same as to Fulmer. That it's like memories, reaching far back. Memories of what was here before. But they were under attack.
배령기부터 존재했던 이것은 자아를 가지고 있습니다. 그리고 그들은 숙주로 삼은 몸체에 자신들의 기억을 보여주며 기름을 얻기 위해 해저를 시추하는 인간의 행동을 공격으로 간주했죠.
Shit. This is what's been used to attack us. We need to shut it off. We need to start fighting back.
개세의 호출로 풀머를 만나는 로즈. 그런데 그의 부상은 너무나 심각했습니다. 잠시 뒤.
Hey, how you feeling?
Like $1 million. So what's the damage for saving the world?
Some nasty burns. You were lucky.
Guess it was a worthwhile show then, eh?
풀머는 엎드려 있는 게 더 불편하다며 이를 돕겠다고 일어납니다. 로즈는 풀머가 옷을 갈아입는 동안 캣과 헤더와 대화를 합니다.
He talked about memories of what was here before, but it was under attack, right?
But he said long before. Millions of years.
That's exactly how old I think these spores are. Older, in fact. Hundreds of millions.
How?
There are species of bacteria that can remain dormant for whole epochs of history and then be brought back to life.
수억 년 전 박테리아가 지금까지 심해에 잠들어 있다가 화산재를 통해 밖으로 나왔다.
Slightly terrifying. Yeah. You think that's what we're seeing? Why here?
I can't be sure, but the deep ocean is the largest, oldest, least explored habitat on Earth. If I was looking for ancient forms of life, ones who have the memory of every struggle a planet has ever faced, this is exactly where I'd look.
So, this thing could be like an ancestor.
Yeah. Not only that, if we're right, this could be huge. This would be the oldest living organism ever discovered on Earth.
Yeah, we've pissed it off.
그렇다면 이상합니다. 바지는 분명 기억이 보이고 목소리가 들린다고 했는데 박테리아와 이런 소통이 가능한 걸까요?
I mean, there is bacterial communication. It's a chemical process, but its effect is similar to the way humans use language. It's called quorum sensing.
Could being exposed to the spores let Baz do that?
I don't know. I've never seen a host interact with the quorum sensing process before.
Well, I've never heard of someone falling 100 feet and surviving.
물론 지금 지식으론 불가능해 보이지만 인류는 한없이 작고 짧은 시대를 살아왔습니다.
Nature constantly changes and adapts in ways you wouldn't believe.
Said like a true geologist.
Well, it's just true. I mean, look at the Earth. It's a rock that's been hanging in space for 4.5 billion years, but across that time, it's actually been many different planets.
How do you mean?
더 넓은 세상과 오래전에 어떤 일이 벌어지고 무엇이 살고 있었는지 추측만 가능할 뿐이죠.
We're here so briefly that we assume it's stable, but there's no such thing as solid ground.
And this thing has been there for all. Survived every near extinction we've had.
Did it survive them, or could it have caused them? You sure it needs protecting?
Well, that's just it. Mass extinctions destroy most of the evidence of what caused them. So this could be a real threat or just an innocent bystander.
그때
This is the OIM. Rose and Dunlin to the control room immediately. OIM out.
Come with me. Both of you.
바지는 수동 조작으로 시추를 과부하 상태로 만듭니다.
What's so urgent?
The pressure's through the roof.
Baz and Garrow.
What is he doing?
Shit. It's like he's trying to bypass the sensors on the wellhead control.
Why?
The only reason you do that is if you wanted to open it.
Isn't that like blowout territory?
You have to be nuts. Pushing that thing, you'll get us all killed.
조종실에 살 수 있는 게 없는 매그너스.
Is there any other way to shut it off?
We should send the bullseye ROV down close to Triple S valve inside the well. It can't be reopened from the top side.
No. No, it's too risky to try that with a bullseye.
이스타를 부릅니다.
This is the OIM East to control rooms immediately.
Oh, come on.
매그너스는 잠수정을 보내 심해에서 직접 밸브를 잠그려고 합니다.
Good thing we're not doing this at night.
Sawyer's not down here. I've seen some fish down here that shouldn't exist. All glowing eyes and teeth. That's what you get for diving into the abyss. Okay. I wasn't expecting that.
God.
Are those circles?
Aye. But what is it?
The fountains of the great deep burst apart.
창세기의 한 구절이 떠오르는 깊은 바닷속의 모습은 예전과는 완전히 다른 모습이었습니다.
Well, hitchhikes were done on last rotation. There was no mention of anything like this down there. Close the S valve, Easter, before our day gets any worse.
You got it, boss.
Steady hands.
What did you expect?
Well done.
좋아하는 캐로와 바지. 네, 이것은 장비를 완전히 멈추기 위해 고의로 과부하를 건 바지의 함정이었습니다.
The ring and the dart. What if this is what Baz meant?
이제 마지막으로 메인 전원을 내리려고 하는데 무슨 일인지 시스템이 재부팅되고 있습니다.
Disconnecting it will only shut it off. So what do we do?
시스템을 잘 아는 사람이 필요합니다.
We need Former.
He's the only one who knows these kind of systems. We gotta get him to help, then he can tell the others, make them understand the warning.
그때 헤더는 이전에 수색을 하며 발견했던 컨테이너 박스가 떠오릅니다.
Do you think these items could be those containers from the production module?
Have to be. I know nothing about them, yet here we are with unaccounted items.
What about the serial numbers? They all start the same. Could that tell you what it is?
No. Same manufacturer maybe, but haven't been logged properly.
기록이 없는 컨테이너가 있었다는 헤더.
Did Dunlan speak to you?
About what?
The unaccounted for items. Do you know anything about this delivery?
There's no record of what they are. How am I supposed to know if I signed for them?
Dunlan found 4 containers in the production module that he didn't authorize.
Did he say what was in them?
They were locked.
Everything here was delivered and installed on the last rotation while I was on shore. Rose?
No, I don't know anything about that.
Well, we've got a problem then, because neither do I.
그때
Oh my god.
Signal.
The satellite's back on.
신호가 잡히고 라디오도 켜집니다.
Tyne, Dogger, Fisher, German Bite and Humber. Viking.
Fulmer, radio room. Get through to the beach.
Kinloch Bravo to Coast Guard. I repeat, Kinloch Bravo to Coast Guard.
매그너스는 구조대와 연락하지만 무전이 원활하지 않습니다.
Kinloch Bravo to Coast Guard.
Tell me you've got through.
I got a dial tone.
I have to get back.
Don't we all? Make yourself useful. Kinloch Bravo to Coast Guard.
로즈는 인터넷이 되자 사내 시스템에 접속해 박테리아 샘플에 대한 연구 자료가 있었는지 찾아봅니다.
What's Project Kieran?
I've never heard of it.
What's the next clearance level up from you?
There isn't one.
Oh, come on. This is OIM of Kinloch Bravo. Emergency rescue required. Can you confirm rescue? Over. Can you confirm rescue? Over.
Casey!
캣은 가족에게 연락합니다. 그리고 자신들이 조난 상태인 걸 말하며 도움을 요청합니다.
Jesus, Cat. Okay, well, who'd I call? Give me a number. I knew something wasn't right.
Okay, try the Coast Guard, yeah?
No, I have. They won't listen to me. I'm not Pictor.
What exactly have Pictor said to you? We haven't even been able to contact them.
They said,
What's happening, Casey? What's going on?
it looks like another power cut. We keep getting, Right, hang on. Let me show you.
I can't see, Casey. You're gonna have to... Is that fog?
안개가 밀려오는 영국. 우리가 보았던 그 안개라면 곧 화산재가 떨어질 겁니다.
Casey! Casey, you listen to me! You don't go outside, you hear me? Listen! Casey! Casey!
Can you confirm rescue?
로즈는 암호가 따로 있는지 서류를 찾아보다 풀모가 그린 그림을 발견합니다.
Rose?
Yeah. Read these out. We'll see if any work.
풀모도 연락을 취하다 놀라운 걸 발견합니다.
You got through?
What? No, the signal's gone again.
Everything all right?
Fine. Fine.
I thought I'd come down and give you a hand.
Yeah, thanks.
Fulmer. We need your help.
바지의 목소리입니다. 내가 미친 걸까요?
You stay with the radio, I need to check something.
Former!
다시 통신과 인터넷이 되지 않자 매그너스는 회의를 소집합니다.
Where's Palmer? He ran off from the radio room before we were called down. Haven't seen him since. Been acting really... Rose.
풀머는 심각했던 화상도 전부 나았습니다. 마치 바즈처럼 박테리아에 동화되어 가는 것으로 보입니다.
We need you.
How long have you known?
Just now.
I saw the drawing. You've seen those circles before.
I don't know how I knew to draw it.
You must have recognized them in the control room. Why didn't you say anything?
사실을 말하는 풀머.
I started seeing things. Hearing things. But I spoke to me.
He spoke to you like a hallucination.
I don't know, I could hear him in my head.
풀머를 사랑하는 로즈는 그가 바즈처럼 변해가는 걸 지켜만 볼 수 없었습니다.
I'm gonna find an answer to this. Promise. You should rest. I'm gonna come straight back, okay?
Did you get through?
He's coming.
매그너스는 구조대의 헬기를 요청했지만 통신이 좋지 않아 확인은 받지 못했다고 말합니다.
Raise your hand if you got through to shore. Then I'm certain the message got through. If not by my channels, then at least by yours.
Aye, but it might not just be the message we have to worry about. If blackouts are happening, they might not have the resources to send help.
What are you talking about?
Well, clearly I'm the only one who bothered listening to the news.
가족들과 연락이 되었으니 분명 그들이 신고해 줄 겁니다.
Our families will team together. They'll find the resources.
What if our families don't know what's going on? You know, I spoke to Casey and she said that Picture had been telling them that we're fine.
What are you saying?
What if Picture aren't sending help?
That doesn't make sense. Why would they do that?
Because we mean nothing to them. Fuck all. They're probably hoping that we've burned and disappeared as well. Would save them the cost of a decommission.
Or what's happening here is happening at home too.
Why'd you say that?
Blackouts. Comms down.
He
here. I
said
think
power
it's-
cuts. It's not the end of the world.
Look, regardless of power cuts and resources, clearly our families don't know what's going on. And the longer we stay here, the more our resources deplete. We need to get back now.
육지에도 똑같은 일이 일어나고 있을지도 모른다. 그렇다면 가족을 지키기 위해 돌아가야 하는데 방법이 없습니다.
It's me. Hey. Fulmer?
풀머가 사라진 걸 알리고 당장 그를 찾아 나섭니다.
Stop! What are you doing? Come back!
하지만 돌아오지 않는 풀머. 캣은 그를 따라 생산구역으로 들어가는데 그곳은 완전히 다른 모습으로 변해 있었죠. 로즈가 나타나 캐슬을 밖으로 데려옵니다. 그리고 멀리서 보이는 불빛.
Lights. There's lights coming towards us.
It worked. They got through.
They must have.
하지만 구조선이 도착하기엔 너무 이른 시간입니다.
Listen up! I want everyone in their survival suits. Okay, prepare for immediate evacuation.
The message got through. We're going home.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Check your suits.
Move on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Hey, what's all the fuss?
Could be a rescue. We're preparing for evac.
이때 불빛을 한참을 바라보던 이스터.
I think I can see it. Yeah, but how many of them?
Just the one?
Yeah.
For all of us.
We're not alone. Fulmer?
Something else.
I don't know what this is, but it's not a rescue.
구조선이 아닙니다. 찰리오로 방향을 틀었던 예비 선박이죠.
How the hell did they make it through an explosion that big?
Probably the same way Baz survived his fall.
그리고 선박에는 찰리오에서 근무하던 사람들이 타고 있었습니다.
We need to test the new arrivals, check their blood pressure, see if they've got feelings, tattoos. All those are good signs. It means they're clear.
로즈는 사람들을 브라보로 오르게 하지만 허터는 이것이 실수라고 말합니다.
This is a mistake.
I'll probably know that when it's too late.
그들에게도 감염자가 있다면 오히려 우리가 더 위험해질 수 있다는 건데 로즈가 이것을 모를 리가 없죠.
I need to get to the control room.
We need to screen everyone first.
I don't have time for that.
This is my rig. You follow my rules.
It's not your rig. All assets belong to the company. David Koch, Victor Research and Expansion. Where's your control room?
분사 연구팀이 현장에 있다. 찰리오에 무슨 일이 있었던 걸까요?
Hey, sir.
Hey, Harris.
코크는 조종실로 향합니다.
I wasn't notified Research and Expansion were in this field. What is it you're doing here?
Research.
On a specific project?
혹시 자신이 포한 레벨로는 접근하지 못했던 프로젝트 키어런 그것 때문은 아닌지 지금 이 사태에 대해 아는 건 있는지 조심히 물어보지만 코크는 어떤 정보도 주지 않습니다.
We need to know what we're dealing with if we're going to get everybody home.
It's funny hearing you say that, caring about getting your crew home. You're pretty notorious at headquarters.
What's she on about?
Didn't she tell you all? She's going to be leading the decommissioning task force.
You kept that quiet.
I'm sorry, Dunlin. You heard Magnus on the alley deck. There's no alternative.
Doesn't mean you got to hold the axe for him, does it?
I'm designing a program with Pictor to retrain you all. We're going to roll it out as soon as we get home.
Sending grown men back to school. It's embarrassing, Rose.
캣은 해리 씨가 감염되었는지 검사를 합니다.
What happened over there?
All started with him. Coke. As soon as he came on board, he sent our OIM and a bunch of our guys back to the beach. And those of us that were left were drafted in to do this new equipment test. But that wasn't what it was.
What was it?
From what I could tell, it was something to do with carbon capture and storage. The new equipment he installed on the production module reversed the process. We weren't drawing oil up from the well. We were sending something down.
How did the explosion happen?
Right after we started, the fog came in. People started acting weird, disappearing. But Coke stayed in the control room, you know, and he was calm. Like he'd done this all before.
시추 작업이 아니라 다른 무엇을 하다가 폭발이 일어났었다는 해리 씨. 그렇다면 코크가 현장에서 진행한 시험은 과연 무엇일까요?
And there are a lot of empty seats on that lifeboat.
He's got a piercing.
What?
Can you show me?
해리 씨는 감염되지 않았습니다. 하지만 바지는 분명 자신처럼 감염자가 다가오는 걸 느꼈었습니다. 그렇다면 혹시 코크가 감염된 건 아닐까요?
Magnus Macmillan, OIM. Welcome to the Bravo.
David Koch, head office.
코크는 책임자인 매그너스에게 간단히 인사를 하고 잔류에서 진행한 시험을 마무리해야 한다며 지원을 요청합니다. 하지만
If you'll give me a team, let me send them across to the production module.
Absolutely not. We've lost too many to this thing.
I have executive orders to continue with the processes undertaken on the Charlie.
Yeah, things worked out so well for you over there, didn't they?
Coke, you need to tell us what you know. Full transparency. Are the injectors part of Project Curing?
They're for carbon capture and storage, what you've been touting as the future of this company.
I would know about that.
Well, some things are above your pay grade, love.
찰리 외에도 감염자가 있었고 그들이 폭발을 일으켰다는 코크. 하지만 방금 전 해리 씨의 말로는 감염자가 아니라 코크의 시험 때문에 폭발이 있었다고 했었죠. 한편 풀먼은 생산시설에 도착합니다. 그리고 멀쩡한 바즈를 만나자 미안한 마음이 드는 풀먼.
Look, I'm sorry about the accident.
하지만 바즈는 그런 과거는 모두 잊었습니다.
My injuries were worse, but I'd have died without it. It'll grow, though. It's stronger within you.
바즈는 우리 안에 깃든 그것을 위해 자신을 도와달라고 말합니다.
But I know we've never been the best of friends. But we can leave all of that. We need to protect it so it can protect us. Don't fight it. Trust me. You're here for a reason.
매그너스를 설득하는데 실패한 코크. 그런데
You cook, right?
I've had enough of welcoming committees, thanks.
So you've seen the shit show upstairs then?
We need proper leadership if we're going to get out of this.
매그너스에게 큰 실명을 한 허턴과 던린이 찾아오자 코크는 그들을 이용해 자신의 목적을 달성하려 합니다.
The CCS equipment I was testing on board the Charlie. If that works, it'll extend the life of this field for years.
자신이 진행하던 시험을 마무리하면 본사는 브라보를 해체하지 않을 것이고 직원들은 계속 고용될 거라며 시험을 위해 그곳을 장악하고 있는 바지를 몰아내자고 말합니다.
So, how do we do it?
There's a shipment of compressed CO2 on board to test the CCS equipment.
Those lot containers in the chemical store. They're in there, right?
You take masks and breathing kit. You go get the canisters, feed the gas into the fire suppression system. It'll knock them out, totally painless. Then you find them, clear them out safely, and start cleaning up.
그런데 뭔가 중요한 걸 계속 놓치는 기분.
You still haven't told us what this thing is. What's causing it all?
I don't know what it is, but I know what it wants. It wants to keep you all here, so it can spread. That's what it did before. That's what it'll do now.
Before?
On the Charlie.
No one gets hurt, right?
Your safety is my priority. That's why we need to do this.
지금 이 상황에 시험을 하는 게 맞는 건지 의문이 듭니다.
Sure about this. I've only just met this guy. Let's just get it over with, yeah?
목록이 없던 컨테이너에 도착합니다.
Mystery solved.
Right. Take one each.
These aren't just CO2.
Do you want to get home?
Take a break. I'll keep an eye.
불머를 설득하고 있던 캐롤은 누군가 접근하는 걸 느끼고 바지는 설득을 계속합니다.
Might retreat if we can protect it from attack. Help us fix everything we've done. Look what it's done here. Restoring things to how they were.
잠깐, 바지는 완전히 변한 것이 아니었습니다. 그는 선조들의 기억을 보고 인간의 잘못을 깨닫고 서로의 공존을 위해 노력하려고 장비를 멈추려는 겁니다.
Had warnings before, and we've never listened.
결국 바지의 말을 듣고 시스템을 분리시키려는 불머. 하지만 어떻게 해도 비상 시스템이 작동해 버립니다.
This isn't working. I've got as much chance of turning it on as turning it off. I tried.
You need to keep your focus. This isn't about us.
이때 버터는 소방장치에 가스를 연결하는 데 성공합니다.
Masks on. Hey. Sleep tight, Baz.
Something's wrong.
가스가 새는 소리에 살펴보는 불머. 여기가 아닙니다.
It's the fire suppression system. We need to get out.
No. They're coming for us. For this.
Well, we can't stay. We won't be able to breathe.
We have to. You got find Gara and shut it off. I'll stay here.
How long do we leave it before we start dragging them out?
Well, I think this stuff works pretty quick, don't you?
Hutton. What you done?
허터는 캐롤을 막아서며 설득합니다. 그런데 고통스러워하는 캐롤.
Help! This isn't knocking him out. It's fucking killing him. Come on, we've got to get out of here.
Don't leave me.
Dylan! Come on! I'm not leaving him. We don't have a choice. Just give me the key. Go. I'm sorry.
불머는 쓰러져 있는 캐롤을 발견하고 소방 장치의 전원을 내리려고 하지만 스위치를 열기도 전에 쓰러지고 맙니다.
Does Rose know you're in here?
No. She doesn't need to know.
Where's Donna?
There are people over there. What are you doing?
What has to be done?
Log back in. Like fucking now.
Too late.
목적을 위해 다른 사람은 생각하지 않고 문을 닫아버린 코크. 그런데 안쪽에는 던린이 갇혀 있습니다.
Do you hear me? No, 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 stop! Dylan! Dylan! We're gonna open the door, I promise you! Dylan!
가쁜 숨결이 점점 멎어갑니다.
Dylan!
헤더는 직원 데이트베이스에서 코크의 이름이 없는 걸 이스터에게 말합니다.
So, I looked him up. Coke on the offline database.
And?
Nothing.
And he's not listed on the Charlie?
He's not listed anywhere.
그래서 해리 씨와 코크의 가명을 찾아보는 헤더.
Are there any you don't recognize?
The Tim Hughes.
불법이지만 휴스의 메일을 열어보는데
Spread of organism is confirmed.
코크는 몇 년 전부터 박테리아의 존재를 알고 있었습니다.
Coke knew about all of this long before it all started here. Him and the company.
They let us get on a chopper knowing that they were risking our lives.
Bastard.
당장 코크를 찾아가는 매그너스와 로즈. 하지만 지금 그것보다 급한 게 있습니다.
He sent a team over to the prod. I saw Hutton and Merch coming out.
What are they doing over there? Trying to save your lives and everyone else's. None of this is about us, it's about survival. That thing is a cancer.
That thing is an ancient life form. It has intelligence and intention, and it's older than anything that's alive on Earth. It could be the ancestor of everything. All life.
Guys, he's activated the fire suppression system. I can't log in. We need...
매그너스가 로그인하지만 여기서는 문만 열 수 있고 소방 장치는 수동으로 잠가야 합니다.
You'll need an air tank.
Take Hutton.
Tell me who's inside. Magnus.
What?
Dunlan's still inside.
로즈는 망연자실한 허턴에 산소 탱크를 뺐습니다.
Why did I trust him? That man isn't who he says he
Oh,
is.
shut the fuck up, Hutton, and get back inside. It's done enough damage already.
빌런들을 뒤로하고 안으로 들어가는 로즈. 우선 소방 장치를 정지시키고 풀머의 상태를 살핍니다. 반응이 없자 밖으로 끌고 가려는 로즈. 가스가 멈추자 서서히 주변 자연이 회복되기 시작합니다.
I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah.
It's okay. Come on, we have to go. Okay. 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 Here. Let's go.
매그너스는 허턴을 찾아갑니다. 그는 자신이 코크의 말대로에 그를 죽게 만들었다며 자책하고 있었죠.
Dunlin, he fucking never trusted that bastard. It was me. I forced him to go into that room. It's my fault.
매그너스는 세상을 떠난 자신의 아들을 얘기해줍니다. 교대의 근무자가 아파 대신 근무를 서느라 아들을 데리러 가지 못했던 매그너스. 그날 매그너스의 아들은 교통사고를 당해 세상을 떠났죠.
It was my choice, you know. I chose to stay in the rig. They didn't even ask me. I volunteered. And I know that if I'd been home, Thomas would still be alive.
누구보다 자신을 자책하고 자신의 선택을 증오했던 매그너스.
Hey, imagine living with that, feeling that the choice you made killed your son. But I didn't kill him. Because I wasn't driving that fucking car. And you didn't kill Dunlin.
그렇기에 누구보다 지금 허턴의 심정을 이해할 수 있을 겁니다.
I just wanted to help. That's all I've ever wanted to do is help.
I need you on site, Hunting. I'm gonna have to give it to Coke. He got you to follow an order. I've been trying for 20 years.
매거너스는 코크에게 책임을 묻기 위해 먼저 잔류에서 일어난 일을 조사합니다.
How'd you get out?
We almost didn't. And by that time, there was only one lifeboat left. We could have got more if we'd have waited, but as soon as he got on board, he launched it.
You left people behind. How many?
Whole way here, I was looking at 20 empty seats.
코크와 대화를 합니다.
You got two of my crew killed, and a lot more of your own. Now, I want to know what's happening now.
You already know what's happening. Maximum extraction. No matter what greenwashing the marketing department puts out, that's still Pictor's policy, just like everyone else. And that means draining every drop, so if there's a leak, we plug it. If there's a blockage, we punch through it. If there's a threat, we get rid of it.
But instead, your experiment woke up.
It's not an experiment. It's an extermination. A deliberate one.
코크는 한두 사람의 목숨보다 인류를 위해 반드시 박테리아가 퍼지는 것만은 막아야 한다고 말합니다.
It's all about the bottom line. Why am I not surprised?
This isn't about money. This is about survival. You've seen what it can do when it gets inside someone. And the more it spreads, the stronger it gets. If we don't stop it now, this'll just be the start.
And what's the end? You kill it all? You kill Baz and anyone else that's infected, and you and Pictor spin more lies about what's really happened out here.
We've tried to keep it contained, but if we can't do that, then yes, we kill it before it does the same to us.
So you're actually the hero. Is that it? As long as you don't get too close to the front line.
I'm the guy that makes the hard choices.
And you look really cut up about that.
임무를 성공시키기 위해선 약간의 희생은 감수해야 한다는 코크.
That ash is going to be creeping through every city on the East Coast soon. Think about what'll happen if it gets into the people there, the food, the water. You, more than anyone, know that the worst thing that can happen to a person out here is losing what they've got back there and not being able to do a damn thing about it. But this time, we can stop it. It's strongest here. If we kill it here, we can stop the spread.
What about the people in my crew already infected? Baz? Fulmer?
There's no version of this where you get to save everyone. You have to choose.
That come up from below.
Aye. The soft sediment samples during maintenance years ago.
Nice souvenir.
It's going to be a present.
믿을 수 없는 일이 벌어졌고
You really believe all this? Ancient sea monsters creeping up from the deep.
이제 매그너스는 선택을 해야 합니다. 로즈는 풀모의 능력으로 선조들과 접촉을 해보려고 합니다.
You said you heard Baz speaking to you before you left.
It was in my head like another vision.
Is there anything else that you saw or felt when you were connected? What is it?
I just keep thinking about what Baz said that first night. There's a wave coming.
Yes.
선조는 모든 걸 태초로 되돌릴 방법으로 거대한 쓰나미를 일으킬 계획입니다. 그렇다면 선조들에게 인류가 꼭 해롭지 않다는 걸 알려야 하는데
Remember quorum sensing? The way bacteria communicate? When bacterial colonies encounter a new species, they use quorum sensing to decide whether they should collaborate or compete. The glow, the visions, the rings. What if that's what it's been doing this whole time? Trying to decide whether we should collaborate or compete.
Well, I think I can guess which way it's leaning.
That's why we need to change the message.
어떤 방법이든 서둘러야 합니다. 선조들은 움직였고 시간이 얼마 남지 않았죠.
Why'd you keep that radio on?
Back in the Cold War, if the threat of a nuclear attack was imminent, all our submarines were to dive to avoid getting hit in a first strike. We were to go dark, switch off comms. Then, every day for 3 days, we were to surface for 1 hour and listen for radio signals. If we didn't get anything from command, we were to switch to BBC radio. The idea was that if the BBC was still broadcasting, then London would still be there. So we'd know to listen for further orders.
And after 3 days?
If it was all still, static and silence, we were to assume the worst had already happened. Mutually assured destruction. No home to go back to. 3 days. Time's up.
풀먼은 로즈의 말대로 선조들에게 말을 걸어봅니다.
Oh, fuck.
What's happening?
Can you see him?
I know he's there, but... So I think the ancestor's going to trigger it.
What?
A new Storyga slide.
Oh, Jesus.
Setting off a tsunami like that would kill thousands. Hundreds of thousands.
Yeah, and destroy all of Picta's injectors. Like, it knows that's how they've been trying to poison it.
It's wiping the slate clean. And we can't even warn anyone. If there's a way to stop this, we have got to try.
매그너스는 코크의 말대로 지층을 파괴시킬 생각입니다.
Magnus, if the ancestor is what I think it is, a living network threaded throughout the seafloor with hundreds of millions of years to grow, it's not just going to be here. It could be under every ocean on the planet.
틀린 말은 아닙니다. 몇억 년 전 전 세계에 퍼져 있던 그들이 단지 이곳 지층에만 존재할 리가 없죠.
And if we don't, we all die. What other option is there?
There's still Baz. If we could go to him, help him, he's our best hope of making a stronger connection.
결국 로즈의 말대로 바지를 만나기로 한 매그너스.
Magnus, Baz is afraid and alone. We can't let him die like that. We've shown it's possible to make a connection. We just need to make it stronger. If we can reach him, we can reach the ancestor. I know it.
He's not going to come to us.
So we go to him. Together.
Okay. We try it. We bring him back with us. No one left behind, not this time. You're going to wish you listened to me.
그리고 매그너스가 출발하자 해저가 갈라지기 시작합니다. 코크는 해리 씨를 찾아갑니다.
You've settled in.
That's what happens when you trust other people.
코크는 해리 씨를 이용하기 위해 그도 자신과 같은 방관자라는 걸 짚어줍니다.
You rented that lifeboat, same as me. Or did I miss you dragging out the wounded, carrying them through the fire?
You cast it off, not me.
That's okay to admit it. Self-preservation is human nature.
코크는 자신이 실행 중인 프로젝트 도중 이렇게 연락이 끊길 걸 대비해 일정 시간이 되면 본사에서 구조 헬기를 보내기로 했다며 자신을 도와주면 한 자리 내주겠다고 말합니다.
Rescue. But why haven't you told him?
Because we still need to finish what we started. Their little mission request isn't going to work. And now the organism is targeting land, Pictor needs to stop it.
Cover it up.
Ignorance is bliss.
이제 파기는 불가능해졌으니 회사를 위해 자신들이 선주를 깨웠다는 증거를 없애버리려는 코크.
Do as you're told. I have no problem leaving people behind.
생산 모듈에 도착하자 던린이 보입니다. 눈을 감겨주는 매그너스. 그리고 이젠 정글로 변해버린 이곳에서 바즈를 만납니다.
Baz. It's us.
그런데 바즈의 상태가 좋아 보이지 않습니다.
So late. Shut me up.
바즈는 이제 선조들이 자신에게 말을 걸지 않는다고 말합니다. 코크 때문에 인간의 공격성을 확인한 그들은 더 이상의 대화를 거부한 것이죠.
How many people do you reckon left behind there, Charlie?
해리 씨는 마이크를 열어놓고 자신과 코크의 위치를 이스터에게 알립니다.
Because if I was covering this up, the guy who knows the most, he's the last one I'm bringing back.
We don't. We're useful or not. We have value or not. They're coming for me because I have value. Anybody who doesn't gets left behind. And that includes you.
그때
These are getting worse!
So this is a good idea.
That wasn't us. That was something else.
해저가 심각하게 불안정해지고 이스터와 일행이 조종실에 도착하자 헬기로부터 무전이 옵니다.
Kinloch Bravo, this is Rescue 6 and Rescue 7. We have you in sight. Confirm safe for Bunlock Road.
코크는 조종판의 키를 뽑고 헬기장으로 달려갑니다.
You two go, me and Issa will stop the injector. Yeah.
What do we do?
Get on the console, I'll talk you through it.
Man of your word, is it? I said I'd get you off. I wasn't lying. No, you weren't lying. No. Not as long as we had, what was it, value, yeah?
자신을 속인 것에 분노하는 허턴.
What about Dunland's value then, eh? And all the others? What about them, huh?
Han! Don't do it! Han! If we take them back, we get justice for everyone! Dunlin! The Charlie, all of them!
You know what? You ain't fucking worth it.
하지만 코크는 마지막까지 꼼수를 부립니다.
When we get back, I'll find a place for you. I had a place. It was right here. All right. Let's go. It's quitting time.
매그너스도 이젠 돌아가려 합니다.
Rose, we got what we came for. Let's go.
No, we haven't. There's still a chance we can stop what's happening.
She's right. You have to try. Look.
그리고 보여지는 선주들의 메시지는 놀라웠습니다.
The ring's closing. Extension.
Come on. Rose.
돌아가는 길.
It's all connected. Each part dependent on the others. That's what it's given me.
That's good, but we've got to get out of here.
No. No, it needs to be protected. Or it'll all start again. It needs to see that we can give to memory and sacrifice. It's who we are.
I came back for you.
Life remains in life. As long as we can keep it going. Magnus!
Are you sure, son? I won't forget.
바지는 그들의 생각을 이해하게 되고 도망이 아닌 선조들에게 돌아갑니다.
I see them! They're on the bridge!
Right, everyone else, strapped in! We're getting out of here!
Time's up, get in!
It's Baz. It wasn't you. You chose to stay.
The wave! It's gonna hit!
무사히 탈출하는 것에 성공하자 코크는 놀라운 사실을 알려줍니다.
This chopper isn't going back.
What are you talking about?
I told you. You wanted to go home? You should have listened to me.
Where are we going?